Hello everyone and welcome to BT Movements. Today we're giving you an easy stir-fry dish, chicken Thai basil. First up, you're going to need garlic, string beans, green scallion, and peppers for this dish. You're also going to need 2 pieces of thinly cut chicken breast. And you're going to chop those up into little pieces to make life easier. Oils, avocado oil, liquid aminos substituting soy, fish sauce, and sweet chili. Get some high heat going, get that avocado oil nice into the wok or deep dish pan, whatever you have in the house will do. Stir it up all the way around so that the whole pot gets oil all around it. Make sure that it's nice and hot as we move on to adding in our garlic. Now the garlic is always going to go first as it needs a little bit of time to get that aroma in there, get that nice golden color that we're looking for. So don't be afraid to stir it up, move it around, get it evenly golden. Once that's cooking, then we're going to go in with our protein, which is our chicken. Just throw that in there. You could always substitute that with tofu if you're trying to go vegan. Next up for our dries, we're going to go with cumin. Serve to liking. Black pepper, grind that up. Then you can go in with all your veggies. Make sure to get a nice mix in there. Stir it all up so that everything gets seasoned and gets an even amount of oil. Once you see the vegetables starting to cook, feel free if you see any big pieces to just chop it up. Next up, we're going to add our liquid amino, our fish oil, and our sweet chili sauce. Now you might feel that the fish sauce might be a little bit pungent, but we'll get to that in a minute. By this time, you're going to start adding in some cashews, letting them roast. And to combat against the fish sauce, you're going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Mix that all up one more time, and we're almost done. Final touches, turn off the heat, and go in with our basil leaves. Some people like to do whole pieces. I like to tear it up, mix it up, it'll wilt like spinach, and you're ready to serve. Place that next to some white jasmine rice, and there you have it. As an added bonus, if you want to go authentic Thai, I would suggest deep frying an egg is the best way to go. Once you get that egg cooking, wait for a little while, always check the bottom, make sure that it's nice and golden underneath, and that's a great indicator that you're ready to go. By far, one of my favorite meals from Thailand, chicken Thai basil. Feel free to try it out. Let me know how it goes. Thanks again.